Lods, wala ka namang maisip na bagong content? Try mo 'to, follow this, and I will teach you how. Hirap ka bang mag-isip kung ano na naman iko-content ko bukas? Lagi ka na lang nauubusan ng ideas. Don't worry, kasi with these apps, creating a content become very easy. Isang tap lang, may bago ka ng concept, ready to be used anytime. Walang stress, walang hassle, no overthinking. Perfect for all beginners at kahit na sa mga pro. Kaya kung gusto mong maging consistent at creative, hop in now and discover how simple and fun content creation can truly be. Tara na! So first, open your app, go to new project, and then click nyo po yung video. Always remember that you have to put it into 9:16 ratio, which is yun ang gagamitin natin pag-upload. And then in your video po, look for the first top. Lagay nyo siya na like this one there, and then split nyo po. After splitting po, go down and look for the adjustment at hanapin niyo po yung HSL. Adjust niyo po yung kulay. Dito po tayo puwedeng mag-adjust ng kulay. Kaya i-adjust pa kanan to make the color orange. So there it goes. And then after that po, go to the second top. Ito yung second top. And then, split uli. Then go to adjustment sa baba, yan po yung ating adjustment sa baba po. Go to HSL uli, it will change color and then 100% yung next, then i-continue lang po natin. So, for another color po, same thing, ayan, yan, click natin si split uli and then go to adjustment uli. Same process lang po. By the way, click mo yung pink button from the color pink, yung upper layer niya sa 100%, then second layer is -100, and then the light one should be 100% too to change into this color. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, grabe. Isang video lang yung ginawa natin nito, Lods. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Madali lang, 'di ba? So, I wish you get it. Thank you very much. Kung umabot ka dito, maraming salamat for watching. So, gawa ka din ng sa'yo, Lods. Madali lang. Let's go. Shoutout po kay Miss Dumian Herrera. Ma'am, maraming maraming salamat po. I appreciate your work po. Maraming salamat po.